Amy. I'm Mel. This is Peanut. Say hi, Peanut.
I don't think so. Don't look at me.
And that's FooFoo. Say hi, FooFoo.
Hello. Hey, what are you doing on the couch? Being cute. Oh, my ball. Did you tell mommy to hurry up? That was a bad kick. I see it. Right there. Is anyone gonna get that? Where is it? Where is it? Hey, got any games? Meg! That's mine. Mine. I got it. That's mine too. That one's mine. Mine. Yeah. Mine. I'm stuck. Mine. Do you have another one? No. Hey, what'd you get me? Is my can in there? I don't see it. Where are my treats? Did you bring them? I don't see them. Maybe they're on this side. Oh, I don't see them. Nah, not that one. Oh, yes, that one. Oh, wait, never mind. Oh, yes, this one. I like my toys. What are you doing with my favorite toy? Mr. Froggy? What do I do with this now? Ah, spider! Oh wait, it's you, Mr. Frog. Gotcha. Serve me water, peasants. This is good. Just give me the water bottle. Yes. This is good. Splashing all over my face. Hey, what you doing over there? I want that. I want it. Hey, my turn. Oh, yeah. A little on the left. That feels good, yes. Hey, you got any games? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the cutest cat of all? Me. What'd you say, Mirror? Nothing. Hey, who's controlling this? Where's the reset button? La 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 la. Ooh, my fur looks good. Maybe I should have tipped her. This is, okay. There. Okay, that's enough. Ah, gross. Hey, what's going on here? Open, please. Why'd you close it? Okay, no more closing, okay? I'm watching this door. This is my door. Mine. They're all my doors. Dobby is a free elf. Ooh, is this new? Where you going, Mama? Leaving? Staying? Hey, Mama. Here I am. Hey, Mom, do you like Shakira? Hey, what you got there? Hey, that's milk. I like milk. It smells good. I'm just gonna watch the milk from here. Don't mind me. Oh, you're still here. Okay, I guess. Parkour, parkour! Are you serious? Are you serious, FooFoo? That's fine. Hey, what did you say? It's about time you took a bath. I'm so tired. All tucked in. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.